We're going to dive in details what's happening with the market in 2024 here in Southwest Florida. So stay tuned. Number one thing that I want to share with you guys, the cost of build is going up here in Southwest Florida. And I'm assuming it's going to be all over the Florida, but I'm not expert. But another thing, let me tell you something that what we see is happening with the market. The percent drop just by a little bit. You know, we were almost at 8. It dropped down to, you know, high 6s, right? And we see so much more activity. As if before you did an open house, before you get maybe one person, maybe 2 people will come to open house. You do all the marketing, you do all the advertisements that you need to do. You put up the signs and you go out everything that you can. You can bring food and snacks and wine, whatever. Agents did everything, guys, but you still get 1 to 2 people to come to open house. What we see, there's more people. Now you get anything between 3 to 12 people to come to open house.